In this video, we shine a spotlight on divine love. In seeking to understand the essence of divine love, Oribel decided to deep dive into this subject by communing with 3 ET civilizations. From the Andromedans, she received the principles of divine love, and an exercise that we can do to access and send this energy to anyone anywhere. And we are grateful to Antarel, the Apunian, and the Watchers who contributed their views on this sacred attribute. And from Aurelia Louise Jones, she gifted us with the prayer for divine love, and a channeled message from Adama of Telos, a city from the hollow earth that would help us, the ones who are consciously making a shift to the 4th density. As always, please take what only resonates with you, and leave the rest behind. Enjoy.
Principles of Divine Love. It is given freely to whomever asks for it. It flows from Mother Father God. It is love for all creations, from the atomic substance that creates a living particle to the universe itself. It is void of anything negative. It is unconditional and judges not. It takes a view from all angles, all possibilities. It is all-encompassing. It is you, me, we, us, all that is. It doesn't force as it allows. It is patient as it knows no time. It is endless, without beginning, without ending, as it is eternal, infinite, and pure. It is why we are here. To experience it, to share it, to spread it, and to return to divine love. It is our Mother Father God. Divine love is who we are. When you are no longer in a physical body, you will experience divine love differently.
Soon after receiving the principles of divine love from the Andromedans, I connected with Antarel the Apunian. In my conversation with Antarel, I shared with him the information I received from the Andromedans. 1. The principles of divine love, and 2. The process of sending divine love to self and others. And I asked him if there was anything else he would like to add to that, as I would like to expand my knowledge and share them with others. The following is his contribution.
What a delightful question. Divine love is source energy. When you are your authentic self, divine love flows through you. To serve others regardless of their situation, we consciously transfer this love to others. As this practice becomes second nature, we become a galactic server.
Right before creating this video, I connected with the Watchers and asked them if they would like to share their views on divine love. This is their message.
Divine love is your natural state of being, as you reach higher and higher levels of consciousness. We encourage you to practice it every day as guided by the Andromedans. The process is simple and effective. It helps you maintain your high frequency.
The following is an excerpt of the Andromedans' message on the process of sending divine love to self and to others.
Begin each day by acknowledging the love of the divine that flows from your heart center. Send the first streams of love to yourself. Give the gift of divine love to yourself first, and you'll have more to give to others. It is this simple process that would help you become a wonderful giver of unconditional love. And next, give intent to send that divine love to any human, animal, plant or situation that needs it. Trust the energies to deliver your unconditional love to the recipients who are in need. Stay open and loving as you trust your intention is carried out. Be a giver of love to those who do not know yet that they can give themselves this love. With that love that you send out, your wisdom too follows. It will help the receiver to remember that they too have the ability within them to do likewise. In the meantime, be the unconditional giver and sender of divine love. This is much needed in the world. This is how you transfer divine love to another. All sentient beings need love to nourish their souls. If you're listening to this message, we ask you to practice on a daily basis to give love to yourself first. When you give to another this divine love, you are assuming the role of spirit on earth. You play an important role by transferring the divine love from your heart center, that is source. Practice this every day and you'll be more peaceful and loving.
I have one last thing to share with you on divine love. It is a prayer that I came across when I was creating a video playlist on prayers and invocations by Aurelia Louise Jones. If this resonates with you, I encourage you to incorporate this into your daily spiritual practice. Please feel free to make adjustments to the prayer to suit your needs.
Prayer for Divine Love. In the name of my beloved I am presence, I call the power of divine love to be magnified within my heart and world daily. I am love, joyous love, radiating love, unconditional love. God consumes my shadows, transmuting them into love. This day, I am a focus of divine love flowing through every cell of my being. I am a living stream of pure divine love that can never be requalified by fear, anger, hatred, dislikes and greed. All negative thoughts and feelings are now dissolved and consumed by the power of divine love which I am. I am love. I live in the consciousness of love. I am love in its fullest expression, blessing all mankind with divine love. I radiate love. I am love in action. Blessing, uplifting and healing all on earth.
I shall leave you with this beautiful reminder of an Ascension protocol given to us by Adama of Telos, a city in the inner earth. It was channeled by Aurelia Louise Jones.
The attitudes that will assist anyone the most to move through the balancing of their shadow creation are twofold. The main one is to adopt as a way of life, to do everything you do, at all times, and in every moment, no matter what happens, as an act of love, for yourself, for your fellow men, for the planet, for the other kingdoms sharing the planet with you, and for creation itself. And secondly, the attitude of gratitude will assist you immensely.
I hope you find today's sharing useful. And if any of these resonate with you, I encourage you to apply them and incorporate them into your daily practice. You will see yourself change, and that changes everything around you, and you change the universe. Every positive change you experience changes the universe. This is how powerful you are. I'm Oribel Joy Divine, an Akashic Records expert and a messenger. I wish your ascension journey be filled with ease, grace, and wonderment.